So how are you feeling, Joseph?
I'm feeling okay. I'm feeling okay. I want to be
Independent.
out
Huh?
of bed.
No. So Joseph, it's your 24 hours since your operation with me. How are you feeling today?
Well, since morning I haven't felt any pain at all.
Okay.
I've been walking around trying to exercise.
Okay.
Now very thankful. No pain at all.
Excellent.
First experience for somebody to go to a hospital, major surgery, then come back the same day and no pain, no nothing. So I thank you so much.
I'm happy. And Dr. Nitin has been a wonderful anesthetist, and Dom has done a great job
Of course.
with his assistance to you. And we're really
much
happy that
thankful.
you're in such a situation.
Thank you
God
very
bless
much.
you. God bless you.
Thank you very much.
It's 48 hours, Joseph, since I did your operation. How are you feeling?
Shit, it's okay. As you can see,
Any pain?
no pain yet.
Did you sleep well last night?
Where I snore like a kid. Small kid.
I'm happy.
I'm okay.
And I like the way you're walking and happy in your own house
Yes.
and getting dear Fiona to make you lovely food
Yes.
rather than the hospital food.
I can eat what I want.
Yes, authentic Kenyan food, isn't it?
Yes. Kenyan food I can eat.
So Joseph, it's been 48 hours since your surgery. You have no walker and you're standing with me, ready to play a game of football against Manchester United
Yes.
as Chelsea's captain.
Chelsea. Number 5 defender.
Number 5 defender. Okay. It's now been 3 days since your operation. Okay, the walker is gone. You seem to be able to walk normally. Any pain, Joseph?
No pain, no pain.
Okay.
So far.
Can we race David Rudisha today?
Yes, yes.
Are we
yes,
ready to do that?
Yes, I will do it.
Stop.